After 21 hours of failed talks in Islamabad, Donald Trump made a move that could reshape the global energy map. The US has announced a naval blockade of the Strait of Hormuz, targeting not just Iranian shipping, but also neutral vessels that paid Iran for safe passage. But why this escalation? The answer lies in Iran's biggest strength, oil. Tehran depends heavily on crude exports for revenue, and much of that oil passes through the Hormuz. So the US strategy is simple: cut the money. By blocking ships linked to Iranian ports, Washington is trying to choke Iran's oil sales, weaken its economy, and force concessions after diplomacy failed. But that's only part of the story. For months, the US has pushed for the global naval coalition to secure the strait. But major economies like India and China chose a different path, cutting their own deals with Iran to keep energy flowing. That refusal is now coming at a cost. By enforcing the blockade unilaterally, the US is effectively telling these countries to align with it or risk losing access to critical energy routes. In other words, this is economic pressure on allies and rivals alike. This trade carries nearly 20% of global oil. Countries like India depend on it not just for crude but for up to 90% of LPG imports. So any disruption hits far beyond Iran. Oil prices have already surged past rupees $100 again, and tankers are beginning to avoid the route, raising fears of a global supply shock. Even close allies are wary of this approach. Leaders like Keir Starmer and Emmanuel Macron have rejected direct involvement, instead proposing a separate multinational mission after the conflict ends. Because they see the risk. If Iran retaliates, the strait could become a full conflict zone, disrupting trade, spiking energy costs, and dragging more countries into the crisis. So, what is Trump really doing here? He is raising the stakes, trying to force Iran to concede while also forcing the rest of the world to choose sides. Because in a choke point like the Strait of Hormuz, neutrality becomes almost impossible.